Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and I'm here to show you about one of the updates Microsoft released for 2022 Release Wave 2 for Business Central. And that update is Financial Reporting replaces account schedules. In order to make it easier for new users to get started with Business Central, Account Schedules capability is now renamed to Financial Reporting. You can now search for financial reporting in the in-product search field as well as links from some homepages. To do so, we only need to click on the search button here and type in financial reports. Once it pops up, we can see the financial reports page right here. You can also click on the bookmark link in order to bookmark as needed. When you click on the financial reports page, it'll take you to the list of financial reports in your system. The link Financial Reporting will open a list of financial reports, and you can add user-defined reports to the list by clicking the New button. Here, you can type in a name, a description, and its own row definitions and column definitions that you can copy from previous financial reports, like so. After saving, we can then edit the financial report to see the changes. The objects that have been known as account schedules will now be called row definitions, for which you can still define a default column layout and an analysis view. Column layouts have now become column definitions, and for both row and column definitions, you can edit the definition separately from the financial reports via these two fields. You can now also copy column definitions, making it easier to make variants of a column definitions by going to the columns definitions page, selecting copy, and then editing it afterwards. And this update focuses mainly on renaming the account schedules capability to make it easier for everyone to have access to it. We hope you are able to use this update to its fullest. Thank you.